Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco Philips Espresso machine, and for this machine we just gave it a tune-up. We just gave it a good clean. We service the infuser, the one that you see right here, replace the shower screen, we clean the filter, and yeah, just give it a good service. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test out the machine. This machine was also having some issues with the coffee not grinding at all, and well, I think it was because it was a bunch of coffee. It was very dirty, the grinder. There was a bunch of really oily stuff in there, so we just disassembled it, clean everything in there. As you can see, it's pretty good. This is kind of one of the little dots that I still wasn't able to remove, but it was completely filled with everything. So right now it's grinding perfectly fine, having good water flow coming out of the spouts, working great. Just to keep testing it, we're just gonna do another shot of espresso. You can still go a little more finer, you just have to adjust the dial. Again, good water flow coming out of the machine, good color as well. We'll redo it again. The main issue with this machine was it was sometimes not grinding properly. As you can see, finish all the little bins. And there you have it, Saeco working once again. So thank you for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day. And thanks for watching. We're just gonna good water flow coming out of the machine. Working perfectly fine. Right, thanks for watching.